Finding and sharing your Shopify store link involves a straightforward process. Here's a concise guide. Log into Shopify. Access your Shopify account using your credentials. Navigate to Online Store. In the Shopify dashboard, go to the Online Store section. Access Domains. If you have a custom domain, click on Domains. If not, proceed to the next step. Copy default store URL. In the Domain section or the main dashboard, locate and copy your default Shopify store URL. It usually follows the format yourstorename.myshopify.com. Share the link. Paste the copied link wherever you want to share it. This could be in emails, social media posts, or any other communication channels. Custom domain. If you have a custom domain, share that instead for a branded experience. You can find your custom domain in the Domain section. Link shortening. Consider using a link shortening service like Bitly if you want to create a more concise and visually appealing link. Promotional channels. Utilize various promotional channels such as social media, email newsletters, or business cards to share your Shopify store link and attract visitors. Monitor analytics. Use Shopify analytics tools to monitor the performance of your store link. Understand where your traffic is coming from and adjust your promotional strategies accordingly. Consistent branding. Ensure consistent branding across all channels to enhance recognition and trust among potential customers.